Let's discuss about management of iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy. Management of iron deficient anemia in pregnancy. We have two types of therapies. One is prophylaxis therapy, prophylactic therapy. Another is curative therapy. In curative therapies, again we have three types of therapies. One is oral iron therapy. Second one is parenteral iron therapy. Third is blood transfusion. Let's see prophylactic therapy. As all of us know, when do we need prophylactic therapy? When the patient is prone for development of iron deficiency anemia. In such cases, we will give prophylactic therapy. Let's discuss the important indications. When a woman has frequent childbirths, such women needs prophylactic therapy. When woman has frequent childbirths, such women needs prophylactic therapy. And when fallen hemoglobin levels are detected early in the pregnancy, when there is fallen HB levels early in the pregnancy, especially in the first antenatal visit. So you should be very keen about this HB levels. It should be estimated two times. One is when the patient first visits the doctor, and finally at 30th week. So during these two periods, we have to estimate HB levels. Okay, usually prophylactic therapy is required when the woman has frequent childbirths and when there is early fall in the HB levels, especially in the first trimester. Usually we check for HB levels when the patient first visits to the hospital and at 30th week of our gestation. Right? This is about prophylactic therapy. Usually nowadays every woman is given a prophylactic iron tablets, right? So we can say all women needs prophylactic therapy right now. Now see curative therapy. In the curative therapy, first one we have is oral iron therapy. In oral iron therapy, what we give is we give 180 to 200 milligrams of elemental iron. This word we have to remember. Elemental iron. Okay. 180 to 200 milligrams elemental iron. 3 such tablets per day. Okay. We are giving these tablets 3 times a day. Along with iron, we also give folic acid tablets. The dose of folate is 1 milligram here. So we'll give folic acid along with iron tablets. So this therapy is continued until all the indices of RBC will become normal. Until RBC indices becomes normal, we'll give these doses. So once the RBC indices becomes normal, then what we do is we'll give maintenance dose. The doses of this maintenance doses. See, in the early phase, what we are doing is we are giving 3 tablets per day, right? But in maintenance dose, we'll give 1 tablet per day. 1 tablet per day. And the main purpose of maintenance dose here is to restore the storage, to regain stores of iron. Stores of iron. Okay. and this is about oral therapy.